Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2019 game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or several other issues on PC. So the very first method what you need to do is to check the system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs and after that try to launch the game and then check. If not, next is to restart your PC. For that click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your system restarts, now try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to check your graphics card. So for that go to the Windows search over here. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and then check. NVIDIA and AMD users, I have already given the link in the description, just go through them and update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that go to Steam under library section, here select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where our game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator and then hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, then again come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch option. So for that go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties and under general here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and see if this works. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next solution. Well, the next solution is to allow the game through firewall. So for that go to the Windows search, search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that here you have to search for the game. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, here you have to select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. Once the game files are verified, now try to launch the game and check. Next method is to update Windows. So for that go to the Windows search, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that either you can search for Visual C++ files in Google or I have provided the link in the description, just go through it. Site opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Whatever you get, click on it and wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, close this, restart your PC once and after your PC restarts, now try to launch the game and check. But if the issue continues again and again, then it's time to reinstall the game. So for that go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely close the game and uninstall the game from your PC. After that restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam, again reinstall Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2019 game and then finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So using these methods you can easily resolve Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2019 game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.